In this video, I'm going to show you how to unzip and zip files in your Windows 11 computer. So if you've downloaded a file to your computer, then you may end up with a zip file that looks something similar to this. So in order to unzip this, we just need to double click on the zip file and then click on Extract All in the top navigation. From here, you'll need to select a folder or destination where you want to extract these files to. I'm just going to leave this in my download folder like so. Make sure you have a Show Extracted Files when complete. Make sure this is ticked and then click on Extract. Now, as you can see, this is going to pop up with a folder with all of our extracted files like so. Now, if you want to create your own zip file, you can do that just by right-clicking somewhere on your desktop, clicking on New, and then selecting Zip Archive. Then just give your folder a name. And then all we simply need to do is drag in the files that we want to include in this zip file. And now if we double click on this, you can see we have these two files within our zip. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.